Hi, I'm Nancy. I live in Colorado, and the career profile that I'm searching um, is from the Boulder County here in Colorado, and it is the Foster Care and Adoption Specialist Caseworker. It is a large organization that covers the whole entire Boulder County and is a full-time hours. They are hiring right now a couple full-time employees, and you work individually and as a team member with very high, strict standards. The stressors of this job, there are lots of paperwork and requires organization skills, requires the ability to work with difficult clients and behavioral problems from children and youth, working with deadlines and coworkers that may not have the same viewpoints as you. And several times it's pretty inevitable that you will be doing court appearances, so I'm sure that can cause a lot of stress as well. At least it would for me. There's lots of benefits to this job, though. Their benefit packet is really cool. It includes health and vision, dental, life insurance, the para, which is a retirement. You pay into the retirement, and they actually match that and will help in your 401k, giving you Social Security retirement plans, wellness programs, tuition reimbursement program, paid vacation and holidays, and bus passes, and more, it says. So I'd be interested in finding out what more they would offer. Common job tasks: the caseworker performs a variety of complex professional social work duties in the DHSS program, which is the Department of Housing Human Services. And this helps in retention of the foster families. I'd be supervising the homes for safety and compliance with the state regulations, and demonstrating excellent behavioral management, coaching skills, and performing as related duties as required. The job includes I would be carrying a caseload of foster care providers who care for high needs youth, make frequent home visits with certified foster care providers, monitor placements and assesses for safety and compliance with state regulations, develop, implements, and monitors effective behavioral coaching plans with providers, communicates with treatment team all strengths and or areas of concern, provide placement assistance for placement team members as needed, and complete required trails reports, medical passports, court reports, treatment plans as needed, and performs related work as required. So it's a big responsibility, but there's really a lot of room for growth there. Educational requirements: you do need to have a bachelor's degree in human behavioral science, which I'm on the right track for that. They do prefer a master's degree, but they're willing to work with anybody that has a bachelor's degree. You have to have 2 years of professional social case working experience after you receive the degree. So this would be a little ways off for me, but it gives me good opportunity to find out what is available. So after I do receive my degree, I would have to have 2 years of experience before I was able to work with the Boulder County. They would prefer somebody to be able to read, write, and speak fluently in both English and Spanish, but it's not necessary. Knowledge, skills, and abilities: working knowledge of the theories, principles, and concepts of social case work practice, knowledge of community resources and agency roles and procedures related to assigned program area, skills and behavior intervention strategies, ability to write reports concisely, and the ability to work effectively with other employees, clients, agencies, and the public. What's so cool about this is the pay. Even though it is a lot of hard work, I'm sure there's a lot of paperwork. It sounds like a lot of organization, a lot of accountability, I guess is what I could say. The starting salary for having no experience at all would be $45,984, And if you have experienced after your 2 years, you would start at 66,216 and go up from there. So that's not too bad. There might be some physical requirements. You might have to lift occasionally. And the information source I did an internet search for Boulder County or Colorado jobs, and so it would be something that I'd really be interested in, especially helping children in need, finding families. I know there's a big need for that, and adopting would be so cool to find families that really want to raise a child and have that desire, and yet they can't have children. And so to see the joy and to be able to work with the mothers that are giving their child up would be something that I feel like I could benefit them and also learn and grow myself. So thank you very much.